Hey guys, Jay St. Hilaire. What I want to talk to you today about is ways to find buyers. First of all, you want to have business cards. If you don't have business cards, that's the first thing you need. I mean, that's elementary. That's the first thing that you guys need to do is to get business cards printed up and hand them out to everybody you know. But I just want to talk about something that a lot of people don't do, and that's ghost ads. Now, I use a lot of ghost ads successfully on Craigslist. I put ghost ads in because I kind of felt like, listening to people, they had the fear of doing it, and I kind of had the fear of doing it because I didn't really have a property to sell. So I wanted to try this out and see if it worked. Now, if you want to know anything about it, or if you want to read about it, there's just a short section in Dean's book, 30 Days to Cash, on page 70 about ghost ads. And what Dean says is that's how some students fill their buckets, me included. That's how I fill my buckets, sometimes with buyers. And what I do is put a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, 1,200 square feet for a certain price in a certain area on Craigslist in my area, my target area, and I wait for the phone to ring. When they call up, I tell them, just as it says in the books here, perhaps it's one that maybe somebody else had sold. You can use that picture. But what I tell them is exactly what it says in the book here. Tell them, I'm sorry, that one's been sold, but I have a knack for finding properties way below fair market value. And when I get my next one, can I get in touch with you and get your email address and your phone number? Would you mind me sending you these great deals that I find? Because I find them way below fair market value, cheaper than anybody else can find them. So let them know that you find deals every day, and they're going to be the first ones to get these deals from you. So ghost ads is just one way, but don't let the fear of ghost ads stop you from doing this. Try it. Just out of conquering your fear, try it, okay? Maybe somebody else has a property that is going to sell it. You can use that as a ghost ad. It's really a property that you don't have, but it's a property that somebody else might have that you can use, so you don't feel so bad about telling somebody that it's sold, okay? Page 70 in this book right here will give you some information on ghost ads. So check that out. If you haven't read the book, read that book, 30 Days to Real Estate Cash by Dean Grazios. It's the best book that he's written so far that I believe. But some other ways that I use to advertise to find buyers is, of course, we all use bandit signs, 18 by 24 inch bandit signs stuck in the ground. Well, I use these little yellow signs that mimic the bandit signs. I put them everywhere. I write some keywords on there and write them so people can see them. And I put them on bulletin boards in grocery stores, gas stations, any store anything that has a bulletin board inside or outside in my target areas. I plaster these things all over. They're real cheap. You can buy them in Walmart. You can buy them in Office Max, Staples, all over. Sometimes they come in bigger sizes. You can cut them down with a paper cutter or a knife or scissors. But get a black marker. That's one, must sell fast. I put up. Another one is I have a property, 4 acres, with some mobile homes on it. I put them all up all over the place. I put the land contract, 3-bedroom. My strategy I use a lot is land contract. Same thing as lease option, but the majority of my properties are land contract. And the way I market them and look for buyers and sellers is on Craigslist. This right here is the Free Trader. My local paper, it's free. You have to have ads in by 12 on Wednesday, and they'll be in that Thursday's edition. And if you get online, a secret to this is if you get online and register, www.freetraderonline.com, you will get these deals, anything in the real estate section on this Free Trader Wednesday night, where everyone else will find it on Thursday morning in the paper. But if you register online, and it will be sent to you. The deadline is Wednesday for all the deals to come in and have them printed. if you're online, you'll get it Wednesday night, way before everybody the next day has a chance to get these deals. So if you're looking for buyers or if you're looking for properties, find your local paper and get online registered, because sometimes you get it a day early. One other way that I market is this right here, and that's a flyer. I put these flyers up on bulletin boards everywhere. Bulletin boards, every store you can imagine, gas stations, grocery stores, quick stops, donut shops, everywhere. Put them everywhere because your name is everywhere, and then people know, like, and trust you after they see you all over the place and come in contact with you and communicate with you. And when they know, like, and trust you after they've seen your name so many places and everywhere with that and your business cards, they come to know you personally and they bring business to you hand over fist. So go out there and market and use these other ways, if you're not already using them, to find buyers and sellers, guys. Go out and make a deal happen.